This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruitt. This adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house has been tastefully updated and is ready for you to move in. With 1,554 square feet of living space, the split floor plan offers both privacy and convenience. Recent upgrades include a brand new roof and windows, added insulation for improved energy efficiency, a new carport and storm shelter for added safety and convenience, freshly painted interior. The spacious kitchen features beautiful granite countertops, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Enjoy the privacy of the fenced backyard, ideal for relaxing or hosting gatherings. Don't miss out on this beautifully updated home. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Pruitt.